So as you can see here, I've set some work for my students to do remotely, and I've used Mote with Slides option to give them some instructions, and they just need to click on here to play those instructions. So it's really, really simple.
With this slide, guys, make sure you read.
And you can do that in any language and enable them to be able to go over the instructions really, really simply and hear them, particularly if you're dealing with learners who aren't strong in terms of literacy. And to do that, it's very, very simple. We just need to click on the M icon here if you've got Mote installed. And I can click on here. And now I can leave them some instructions on what to do to complete this task. I just stop that, click Insert, and it's going to add that Mote into the slides for me. It gives me all the normal playback options. I'm just going to do that so you can see it's here, and you can resize it and move it around as well. That's really easy to do. But then you can also use Mote to give them some feedback. So you might, for example, want to click on this and leave a comment. So I just click on the Mote, say, correct use of the verb here, but you've got an apostrophe missing. Have another look at that. It's going to think about that. I can change the transcript if I want. Correct use of the verb here, but you've got an apostrophe missing. Have another look at that. Okay, so at the moment I've got transcript turned off, but you can turn that on really easily by just coming up here and going to your settings and enabling transcript and choosing the voice that you want. So really, really simple, and just click comment. But one of the other things I really enjoy doing is giving video feedback as well. So that's enabling me to give verbal feedback so the students can actually hear my voice and they can respond as well. But what I'm going to use now is use Loom to record some video feedback. I just need to allow that, and we're ready to go. So I'm not going to worry about having, actually I will have my camera on, and I've got my device all set up accordingly. There we go. So I'm down in the corner here. I'll make myself the smaller size, and I'm going to hide that menu there and just start recording. And now, because I'm recording, I can actually use myself to highlight certain points. So I can bring myself to here and say, look, let's draw attention to this section. Yeah, and we've got here, j'aime les maths parce que. Well, parce que is correct, but it should be 2 words. And again, here, you've got a repetition of that initial mistake. And the same here. Love the fact that you've got the accents in correctly, though. Really well done on that. You've clearly had a good read through all of these bits of information here and used this information to help you. And now I've finished the recording. I can just copy that video link and I can add that in anywhere I like. So I can add here, look to add a comment, and just paste that video recording in there ready for people to use. They're 2 great ways of giving feedback that's a little bit more personal when you're dealing with online learning.